Shit. I hate those things.
Don't you have worse things to worry about in here?
Just be careful. Oh.
You'll be all right. Just lay down and rest for a while.
Yeah, thanks. Hey, I'm Leo.
Vincent.
Listen, thanks.
Don't mention it.
I mean it, man.
What's your beef with that guy anyway?
Let's just say it's a long story. But don't worry about him. He's out of the picture now. Could you do me a favor?
Like what?
There's something I need.
What's that exactly?
Nothing, man. It's simple. I just need you to watch my back while I get it, that's all.
Sorry, not interested.
You know what? Fuck it. I'll do it myself.
Wait.
What?
You can't just walk out of here.
Of course I can.
We're gonna both end up in the hole.
Well, I don't have a choice.
All right. I'll help you. Just don't get caught.
Okay. Keep your eyes sharp.
Yeah. Okay, I'll distract the nurse. Just watch out for her.
What can I do for you?
I got a sore throat.
I need to wait for that guard.
Can I have some water, please?
Sure.
Thanks.
All right, back to work.
Here you go.
I hope I'm not bothering you.
Of course not. It's my job.
Shit, Vincent needs to do something about that guard.
Oh, for the love of...
It's hot. Look what you made me do. Captain is gonna kill me. Gonna need soap. Better head to the bathroom.
Anything else?
I'm really hungry. Could you get me some more food, please?
You were just served.
Come on. That portion couldn't feed up.
Hey, what are you up to?
Nothing.
Let's move.
Yeah, sure.
So, what's your plan?
Excuse me?
I know what you're up to.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Come now.
Look, I appreciate what you did back there, but you need to back off.
Hey,
What?
I'm sure you have good reasons to bust out of here, but I need to get out of here too.
Yeah? Not my problem.
Just offering my help here.
Hey, you know what? I don't need your help. I can handle myself.
Yeah? Like you did in the infirmary back there?
You trying to be funny?
No, I'm not. Listen, I'm pretty much in on this. Just trying to make you understand that you could really use my help.
Like I said, I can handle myself.
What about Harvey then?
The fuck do you know about Harvey? Who you been talking to?
The walls are thin in here.
Am I supposed to believe that?
Let's just say that you and me have something in common. We both want him dead.
You don't know shit about me, man.
Maybe not. But Harvey killed someone very close to me. With or without you, I'm going after him. But I'm pretty damn sure our chances would be a lot better if we worked together. And you know that. Yeah?
It's my plan, and I decide what goes down. You got that?
Sure. Whatever you say.
I mean it, man. You fuck this up, I'll kill you myself.
Yeah, I get it. So what's your plan?
You'll know soon enough.
Hey, Leo. You didn't really have an escape plan, did you?
What are you talking about? Of course I did.
You had an idea, I'll give you that.
I got you out, didn't I?
What do you mean you got me out? We got out together.
Yeah, sure. But if it wasn't for me, you'd still be in there.
Don't forget I saved your ass. Twice.
I don't know about that saving my ass part, but I'll give you this. You did help out. A little bit. Vincent, a little bit.
Right.
Fred, got a minute?
I'll be right back, guys. What's up, Leo?
I need to get up on that roof. Can you make it happen?
It's gonna cost you.
You know I'm good for it. Just get me up there.
Hey, Fred.
What's up?
Good. What do you want?
Got a couple of workers here. Need to change the scenery.
Sorry. We're full.
Sure, we could figure something out, right?
Guess we could use a few extra hands around here.
Leo, hurry up. We don't have all day. And we're waiting right here.
Hey, see up there?
Yeah,
We need to get up there somehow.
all right.
Come on, Leo, I don't have all day.
Sure. Just give me some time.
Where is that thing anyway?
Over there.
Now, how the hell are you gonna get up there?
I just need to distract that guard. Then we'll be up there in no time.
Yeah? And how you gonna do that? Because I ain't doing it. That's for sure.
Don't worry about it. I'll take care of it. Guard! My broom is busted.
Well, don't just stand there. Get a new one.
Sure. Hey, my broom's broken.
Just stay here. You, what are you doing?
Nothing, what's the problem?
I got you a new broom. Come here.
Coming.
Now get back to work.
Yeah.
Got it. Time to head back.
Keep it up, boys. We don't have all day.
Ah, shit. Guard's looking this way. Leo, distract him, goddammit.
Hey, what are you doing up there? Get down from there now!
Hey, where are you going?
Just looking around.
Yeah, well, get back to work.
Yeah. It's hot as hell up here.
You're telling me, inmate. This uniform is making me sweat like a pig.
Why are you saying that?
Say what?
Sweat like a pig. Pigs don't sweat.
They don't?
That's why you see them roll around in the mud. It cools them off.
Huh. Really?
I'm surprised you didn't know that. You look like an educated man.
Just get out of here.
All right, time to find a way back out again. Just gotta give it to Fred now.